Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, only a few spots saw rain today, but that is likely going to change for tomorrow, continuing into Wednesday. In fact, that heavy rain is a high risk for us in the coming days. We're going to see that pretty persistent at a bare minimum, causing hydroplaning, standing water on the roadways. But as far as that flooding risk, we're calling that a medium risk, not only for that risk for flash flooding, but also just standing water in general, roadside ditches and things like that. So maybe causing some issues for us with all of the rain rolling through. Severe thunderstorms, though, are unlikely with what is rolling through the next 24-48 hours or so. Here's that flash flood watch again that starts in just a couple of hours. It is going to last all through Tuesday, Wednesday into Wednesday night. It's for all of North Alabama because we face that risk for flash flooding with all of the rain that is rolling through. Water rising quickly with little notice. The Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network shows 3 radars, each one of them giving us a pretty quiet picture just within North Alabama. But look farther toward the south. Look at this band of rain that's been setting up here, really almost right along I-65 up towards Montgomery and then extending up towards Atlanta. So that heavy rain's already been causing problems farther towards the south. We've had a smattering of flash flood warnings. In effect, still one ongoing there along the interstate, and that's the kind of rain that's going to be heading our way. But a couple of days ago, it was absolutely gorgeous along the Gulf Coast. This was the view from Orange Beach. All of the pinks and the purples. This photo was submitted by Jenny Harvey in the Alabama the Beautiful Facebook group. Use the hashtag ATBWAAY. That way we'll know that you want to share with everybody watching at home. You don't have to go to the Gulf Coast to see a view like that. This is the sunset earlier this evening over Lake Guntersville. Absolutely stunning. I cannot promise you that tomorrow is going to be much better for us when it comes to the rain in the forecast. You're not going to see views like that over Guntersville. Instead, a lot of gray sky. Temperatures, they're going to be dropping into the mid to upper 60s tonight, and they stay stuck in the low to mid 70s for tomorrow. Rain chances between 70 and 80%. So here we go through future radar. Through the rest of tonight into early tomorrow morning, notice these bands of rain that start to move through from the southeast, continuing to push off towards the west. There are a couple of breaks here and there, but generally speaking, it is going to be a very wet day all across North Alabama. Get the rain gear ready for tonight as you head out the door tomorrow morning. Here's 4:30 tomorrow afternoon. This data source is doing a pretty good job of showing how persistent this activity is, but here's another band of rain moving through. Get a little bit of a break by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, and then we're right back into it for Wednesday, starting with a few showers Wednesday morning. Another round of heavy rain through Wednesday afternoon, lasting into the evening. So what you see here is that although we do see a couple of breaks in the rain, overall it's going to be leading to this 2 to 3 inches of rain farther towards the east. Our highest rainfall totals will be closer to the Alabama-Georgia state line. Farther towards the west, we're looking at about an inch to an inch and a half, and then right along the I-65 corridor. Locations like Athens, Decatur, and Huntsville included in that 2-inch contour. So the heavy rain, yeah, it's here for now, but it's leaving us just in time for the weekend. Here's your 7-day forecast. 40% chance for a few showers still for Thursday, down to only isolated rain chances for Friday. That means, hey, pretty good news for Friday Night Football. Temperatures not varying very much. We'll be back into the lower 80s, though, by the weekend once we get all of this rain out of here. Overnight lows still in the low to mid 60s. You can always listen for your forecast, 104.3 WZYP.